Greetings to all the delegates, my seniors and colleagues. I'm privileged to have this opportunity here today to present at the eminent platform of IFEA 2021. Management of separated file beyond the curvature, a case report. When we have a separated file in the endodontic root canal, it is obviously a frustrating experience. It needs adequate skill, armamentarium, and diagnostic aids to address the case. Evidence have proved that pre-existing periapical infection apical periodontitis may complicate in the case of existing separated instrument. Evidence also reveal that if the separated file acts as an impediment and makes the achievement of biologic goal difficult, then it need to be removed. These are the two evidences which proves that preoperative lesions and preoperative apical periodontitis can complicate if the separated instrument is retained. Now, how file separation occurs? We have cyclic fatigue, torsional failure, inappropriate use, keeping the manufacturer guidelines, and skill of the operator obviously plays a role. The case, a 28-year-old male reported with symptomatic apical periodontitis of lower right second molar with a history of attempted endodontic treatment 3 months back. Now, in the radiograph, it was seen that a file has fractured in the mesial root. Later, in clinical examination, came to know that it was in the MB canal, and there was a exceedingly mesial tilt of the tooth that can be appreciated here in clinical picture and also in the radiographically. The treatment plan was decided to retreat the file as because bypassing was not successful, and we could see that we couldn't enlarge the canal and bypass the file effectively. But the two challenges were obvious: the exceedingly mesial tilt of the tooth, and initially the file was beyond the curvature and not visible under the dental operating microscope. The treatment plan was drawn on the radiograph. This was the curvature of the canal till the cornal end of the separated file, and it was perceived that this much amount of the radiculate dentin has to be removed to make the separated file visible under the microscope. And all things were getting complicated because of this exceedingly mesial tilt of the tooth. Now, the improvisation that was done in the patient position and in the microscope to make the file visible was the patient was made to lie in a Tendelenburg position, and the dental operating microscope was taken a bit more towards the operator from the vertical. So those two things ultimately resulted in decreasing this angle to almost half. And here you can see that this is altogether away from the path of the canal, and here it was almost positioned focusing towards the canal. After that, a modified ET25 tip of the chisel shape was used to create a gutter. But before creating the gutter, the file was needed to make it visible. So here, this amount of the dentin was removed with the ultrasonics to make the separated file visible, and we could easily appreciate the inner wall of the canal that was in conjunction with the cornal end of the separated file. And with this chisel shaped modified DT25, we created a 180-degree gutter here along about 2 to 3 millimeters of deep. In the presence of EDTA, the file was activated at a low power. After that, more amount of activation was done with the pre-curved ET25 sharp pointed one that was placed in the gutter adjacent to the file, but it was made sure that it was not touching the file. In the presence of EDTA, the file was activated at a high power and was moved up and down in the canal, so that due to acoustic streaming, the file got dislodged and started dancing. After more amount of irrigation and activation, the file finally jumped out of the canal and it was trapped in the rubber dam. Now here, this was the pre-operative picture, just after the file was retrieved, and this is comparison of the two canals here, not very much wide, and this is the MB canal after obturation, and this is the final pick. Now the decision making bypass is always a conservative approach, but if the biologic goals seems to be difficult to achieve, so in that cases retrieval is the only option, as because After bypassing, just bypassing is not enough. We have to widen the canal enough so that we can achieve good irrigant activation and obturation. Thank you.